The female assassin Rose and her henchmen are on their way to the transaction location. The boss Dr. Lee and his henchmen also confidently arrive at the transaction point.
Set. Let's go.
SWAT SEAL X and SWAT Jack are chatting happily together. They admire and test the weapons in front of them.
So beautiful. Yeah, nice. This is gonna fight good. Nice, very nice. Good. Ready? Hey, let's go. Okay.
Dr. Lee arrives at the transaction location. Rose, seeing the boss already there, walks over.
Hi.
Hello.
The boss and the female assassin begin their transaction. They both check everything before the exchange.
Yeah, good.
The transaction goes smoothly.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Rose and her gang turn to leave
Okay,
first.
goodbye.
Dr. Lee and his henchmen signal each other and begin firing at Rose and her gang, severely injuring her henchmen.
Hey!
The henchman tries
Hey,
to
give it to
crawl
me!
toward Rose, but the enemy's gunfire is
You
intense,
okay?
and he dies. Rose quickly flees.
Hi.
The henchman grabs the backpack and
Let's go.
quickly chases after Rose along with the boss. Rose suddenly turns and fires repeatedly at Dr. Lee and the henchman. They return fire, forcing her to dodge. Rose continues to flee, with Dr. Lee and his henchmen chasing after her.
Hi, choose it.
SEAL X and Jack are still patrolling the streets.
Let's go. Come on.
Rose has been wounded by Dr. Lee and his henchmen. SEAL X and Jack hear gunshots, and they look out to see a fight happening. They quickly rush to assist Rose.
Go, go.
Rose, fearful of the two SWAT members, lies to them in the heat of the moment.
You! Nice to him!
Okay,
What
let me.
to do?
A fight breaks out. In an instant, the henchman is killed by the two SWAT members. Dr. Lee, enraged, fires back, wildly killing Jack instantly. SEAL X takes Rose and runs away. Seeing this, Dr. Lee grabs the remaining backpack from his henchman and chases after them.
This way.
Dr. Lee catches up and fires at Rose and SEAL X, forcing them to hide. Another battle ensues.
Hey!
Dr. Lee remembers the weapon in the backpack and quickly assembles it into a complete weapon. SEAL X hurriedly loads bullets into his magazine and charges out to shoot Dr. Lee. Dr. Lee fires back. SEAL X rolls to dodge the bullet and fires, wounding the boss. Dr. Lee, seeing the situation turn against him, quickly flees. SEAL X tries to chase him, but can't catch up with Dr. Lee. He checks the backpack that boss left behind. SEAL X takes out the weapon, but is knocked out by Rose, who is standing nearby. Rose grabs the backpack and leaves, leaving the SWAT officer lying there.